Yamaha big wheels come with extra wide, extra stable tires. And a low profile that makes them simple to ride. So it's fun and easy to get to places you might not go otherwise.
So what took you guys so long?
Nothing.
The Yamaha big wheels. Perhaps they're the adventure you've been looking for.